Welcome to my final project for CS50. My name's Andrew from Victoria, BC in Canada. I was just going to demo this live project for you. So it's just a little bit of a tracking tool. So if I search up espresso machine, and it's connected to a Best Buy API, so it's taking all the products from there, and you can see the products, the regular price, the sale price if there is one, the name and the image. And some of them, they don't have any sale price, so they just show the regular price. Yeah, so that's that. And there also is a functionality of registering, creating your own account. Test, tester. It's tester 123 as a check or as a test here. Get rid of that. So tester 123 has a little JavaScript there. Log in. So now once you're logged in, you have a little dashboard and you're able to add products. So let me just add A6000. It's camera, so it's $5.99. Camera, and just pick a random date. There's a drop down, but you can't see this, but there's images. I'm going to pick from, and there you go. There's the image, and you can also edit and delete it. I'll give you a prompt if you're deleting. And that was my project. Thanks. This is CS50.